Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy. I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest analyst. Today we're going to talk about the match between Manchester City and Wydad Casablanca. So the match played, Manchester City managed to beat Wydad Casablanca by 2-0, guys. The first player to score the goal is Phil Foden. He scored a beautiful goal because he uses a left-footed player, so he scored a beautiful goal. And then the second goal scored by the Manchester City number 11, Doku. So yes guys, that's how the match went. So Manchester City finally managed to beat Wydad Casablanca, because the reason why I say they managed to beat Wydad Casablanca is because Wydad Casablanca, they really gave Manchester City a hard time, guys, in that match. If you saw the match, and also there was in the Wydad starting lineup, we obviously saw former Mamelodi Sundowns players, Batawil, and then also Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch was the one giving Wydad Casablanca the strength to in the attack. Also Malula is one of those players who were there to perform in that day against Manchester City, guys. But we know that Manchester City is a very competitive team, especially because now they also won their first UEFA Champions League, the same as PSG from France, guys. So we know that those are the teams that have been performing in the recent years. Pep Guardiola is really doing a good job in the Manchester City. If you can check the type of the players that he's signing, the type of players that he's now losing. Kevin De Bruyne is no longer there. So yeah, so yes guys. But anyway, this is Club World Cup, and we know how Club World Cup is. It's a very hectic. So I saw that Manchester City, they were really enjoying themselves, especially after the second goal. After scoring that second goal, Jeremy Doku saw that he gave them now the upper hand. So I saw that Manchester City, they managed to beat. So there is a player who received man of the match. So that player is obviously from South Africa. He's a former Orlando Pirates player, Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch was awarded the player of the match. If you can check the type of football that Thembi Nkosi was playing, you could see that he's now more comfortable. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch that was playing, he's the Thembi Nkosi-Lorch that we know, the one from Orlando Pirates. His touches, there's this other long range that he tried to shock us. Trying to shoot it from the center of the field. So Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, I think he's now on form, guys. Yeah, he's becoming the face of Wydad. So that is very special, because we know that Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, he deserves it. His future nearly dropped, but now he's back up on his feet, and he's really performing well for Wydad Casablanca. So that's the Thembi Nkosi-Lorch that I know personally, because he was really showing us that he still has it. So that Thembi Nkosi-Lorch was awarded the man of the match, guys, against Manchester City. So that is something that is really special for Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, and obviously South African football as a whole. So on the other side, we know that Manchester United and Manchester City, they obviously managed to win because they have some of the best players. The goal scorer, guys, who scored the first goal, Phil Foden. That boy, he's left-footed. And also some of the players, Mamouche as well, was performing there for Manchester City. He can hold the ball, wait for his players, play those 1-2s. So yeah, that is very special. So Club World Cup is really showing us that football is something that we need to watch it, guys, and learn it, because also the VAR and the referees, they are doing their job on the side wings as well. So yes, guys. So I mean, Al Ahly, some of the teams who are still playing, we can see that you need to check also those teams that are playing, guys, to watch them, watch those matches. Please watch Club World Cup, because it's bringing us some of the great news, some of the new styles, and people need to learn the VAR as well, because the future now is very technological, and if it's like this, you need to understand that method of the VAR, guys, because some of the fans, some of the teams so become angry by this VAR rule, saying that maybe that thing was a penalty, maybe they disallowed the goal that was supposed to be a goal, so now the VAR says it's a no goal. So there are arguments about this, all these things, guys. So anyway, we need to learn those technologies, how they work, so that because they are advancing our football, guys. So I'm happy for Thembingo Silosh with what he's doing there for Wydad. I mean, I know that they are there because of Rulani Mokoena. I mean, if Rulani Mokoena was still there, maybe it would have been worse. But still, Rulani Mokoena signings, Thembingo Silosh, Malula, and Botul obeying the list of players that Rulani Mokoena has brought in the Wydad squad. So yeah, they are really showing us that Rulani Mokoena was really trying to do something special there in the Wydad squad. But anyway, wherever he's gonna be and he's gonna go in the next season, I know that he's gonna try and continue being himself, guys. So anyway, that's how it is, guys, today. Those are the news that we have for you guys. Manchester City managed to beat Wydad Casablanca by 2 goals to 0. Phil Foden is the one who scored the first goal, and Jeremy Doku is the one who scored the second goal. The man of the match of that night match is Thembingo Silosh, all the way from South Africa, guys. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a chillest analyst.